the leadership for coming to the round table to identify that is making us to fight, and we both are committed to ensuring that we resolve the issues amicably in the interest of the people of Gauteng. So thank you very much, leadership, and thanks to you for appreciating that the importance of this partnership that we have with you as government. So we are saying to people of Gauteng, services will continue as usual. I know through social media pages, you have raised various issues that this leadership has committed with our government, led by Ntate Panyaza Lesufi, have committed to resolving. I know there's transport fares that the communities of Gauteng are complaining about, issues of bullying and harassment by others in the industry to commuters, well raised, and this leadership is very committed to resolving that. I know that in some instances where we take videos to both the associations, they are able to even track down the individuals. So we are saying to commuters, please remain faithful like you are to the industry. And we're also saying to the industry, let's also service our people, give them a quality service. People want safe, reliable, affordable transport, and that's what we have committed ourselves. We will be rolling out a lot of different models in our province, and we're saying to everybody and communities, please work closely with us, and law enforcement, continue doing your work, but it's important for all of us to collaborate to make Gauteng a better place.